me how to be closer to ya. Tell me how and I'll do it, babe. 'Cause I just wanna make you feel what I do about you. So just
Hi guys, this is Shom Pal and welcome to my channel. So, the delivery box for my HelloFresh has just arrived. It's Sunday morning and that's when it is in my kitchen. So I'm going to unbox this box for you and show you what I have inside. I have pre-ordered all the meals, so they have a very good app on which you can select your recipes. They've got more than 20 recipes for the week to choose from. So depending on whether you're a vegetarian or non-vegetarian, or you prefer for the whole family or just for 2 people, you can do that. I think minimum is for 2 people. We went for 4 recipes in the week for 2 people. So I'm just going to show you how this works once I figure out how to open the box. I'm so clumsy, guys, with these things. It takes me forever. This is when I miss my husband the most. All right, so I didn't just say that, you didn't hear it. All right, so this is the box. Now I'm going to just turn the camera inside. Okay, and every time they send something for free, which I love and I look forward to. This is my 3rd box with HelloFresh. The first one had Lindt chocolates, and that was so yummy. It was the orange flavor. I usually don't like orange in chocolates, but I think I like that one. Okay, let's have a look now. So let me... Okay, I think that's a better angle. So these are the recipe cards. So obviously we have 4 recipes, so we should have 4 of these. Yes, we do. So let's have a look. All right, so we have got the garlic and herb beef burger. I'm trying this for the first time. I try to get something new every time, so I have tried and tested all the recipes. So this is one classic Aussie chicken schnitzel. I think that would be really nice. So for night time, I prefer no carbs. 0 carbs and processed food. So this will be a good option. The 3rd one is Szechuan chicken and garlic rice. This is going to be just me, guys. My husband doesn't enjoy this kind of food. So there are 2 of this. So obviously the first one I showed you was the burger one, which is his favorite. So he can have that on 2 nights of the week, and I can have this for 2 nights of the week. That made sense, I think. Now, chicken parmigiana with garlic herb potatoes. This is something new I'm going to try this week as well. So these are the recipes. So when you see the recipe at the back, they have got all the steps how to make it. Yeah, and they've just got enough ingredients inside the box. So we'll have a look at that. What is this? Free boxes for your friends. I just gave away 4 free boxes to 4 of my friends and 2 $50 discount to 2 people. So don't think I have that many friends left who are interested in this, but maybe after this video they are. Okay, what is this? This looks different, guys. Usually the boxes come with this kind of color code, which you just then match to the recipe. So for example, that's orange, and that is the color code, you go for it. So yeah, like that. So this one I'm guessing is the chicken and garlic rice. So let's put that aside. I'm going to open it and show you what is inside. Now I am really curious about this one here, because it doesn't have a color code on either side. Or am I missing it? No, they don't have a color code. So what is this? Who are you, guy? You look like a stranger. Okay, so this I found, so there are mixed salad leaves inside. All right, that's interesting. There's tomato sugo. Okay, all right, let's keep going. What have you got for me? Oh, there's a cucumber and there's a tomato. All right, okay, this is not going anywhere. What is this? Balsamic and olive oil vinegar. All right, we will solve the puzzle when all the pieces are out, I guess. All right, so this one is the green one. So I think it is the schnitzel. So that one there. So this goes with this, right? All right, so we have sorted 2 boxes. I'm really puzzled, guys. So we have got 4 boxes. I'm still not too sure. I know. Okay, here it is. That was what was on that bag. So sometimes it's not always that colored dot on the box. It can be something like this. So yeah, just match it. Match them. So I'm going to put all those salad back in this bag. Brown paper meal has never tasted this healthy, guys. Do you agree? Right now in my kitchen, and I'm not going to turn my camera on that side, I've got 2 takeaway boxes from McDonald's. That's the brown bag I'm talking about, guys. You know, nah. What the hell? I'm just going to show you. See, that's a brown bag as well. And this is a brown bag as well. Which one would you choose? All right. That's that. And then we've got the last bag here. This one. I'm guessing, not guessing, that's the only one left. So yeah, this is the burger. So that's the bag. Now, do you see this one? Yeah, this is the cooling bag for all the meat that I've got. All the meat that I'm going to use this week. It's all in here. There's my scissors. Yeah. All right. So let's have a look. It's not much to look for. It'll be either, oh, there's different stuff this time. Okay, so look at that. The potatoes actually come like that, and then yeah, I can just put it in the oven and I'm done. Look, it's half cooked. How good is that? Oh, this is awesome. I just love the convenience. And this is the schnitzel, right? Yes. Oh no, they are crumbled chicken tenderloins, yes. So that's part of the recipe as well. Beautiful. Remember we had beef burger? So that's the beef meat that I've got, and I'm guessing that I have to actually make the patty, which is okay. These are the chicken. And what I do is I'll freeze the meat and I'll keep only the one that I'm going to make the next day outside to thaw. But for now, they can live here. Then in the cooling bag, they also have the cheese. They've got the sauces. This is garlic aioli. What else have they got? There's something. Alright. So all the sauces and pastes, they've got it here. More cheese. So yeah, this now goes into my freezer. Alright. That's it. And that will be my week. Now for some honest reviews on HelloFresh as a first-time buyer. I have been ordering HelloFresh for 3 weeks now. This is my 3rd box. And what I find most amazing is the convenience. Guys, nothing can top that. That is the number one thing that I was looking for, is easy and convenient cooking. With HelloFresh, I can achieve that. Number 2 is the recipes. So Again, the way we cook in the house, it's pretty much very standard, you know. It's one or two things, or you know, we don't really experiment a lot in the kitchen. Number one is time poor. We are really time poor, and second, I am not the kind of person who really likes to cook. You know what I mean? I love to cook, but only when there is like a feast, or there's a party in the house, there are guests coming over. I like to impress people, but not for us, not for ourselves. We generally, like I said, very time poor, so we go out and get food. I'll order something healthy, as opposed to my husband. He just loves to have burger chips, but we try to get healthy there as well. But with HelloFresh, what has happened is it's allowing me to try different recipes. You know, I for one did not have much idea about what to make out of the chicken. You know, that this chicken, yes, and I would make an Indian curry out of it, like a butter chicken or something, or get lamb and make lamb curry, and that's my limit. You know, that's a boundary, and I wanted to try something different, but I did not want to go crazy buying grocery and this sauce and that dips, and you know, not knowing what I'm doing. And this gives me a chance to try something. And in the bags, like I showed you, this bag has all the ingredients that I need for that particular recipe. If the recipe has got 2 cloves of garlic, it will actually have just 2 cloves. It's that simple. So all the doubt is gone, and HelloFresh just takes care of me. I just love HelloFresh. Now, every coin has got 2 sides, so I'm going to tell you the not so good part about HelloFresh is, number one is it's a little bit pricey, guys. So initially with the discount, it does come to around $56 a week, but after the discount, add delivery to it, I think the first box is free delivery, like $10 is just delivery fee, which is understandable. However, when you add up the total cost of the meal and take the discount away, it comes to $100, guys. So $100 a week, I would still say it's doable. It's still affordable. We would go and buy grocery worth $100 a week anyways, and not use it, and just rots in the fridge. So bad. So I don't want that. I want my money's worth, and so this gives me value. Yes, $100 a little bit pricey. However, again, weighing, you know, the ease and the convenience of it, and we would end up eating out and probably spend more money doing that. So yeah, that's something to remember, something to consider if you are ordering a meal kit. What I have done, however, there are so many different companies out there who provide meal kits. For example, there's Marley Spoon. I think Dinnerly is their brand. So what I've done is, when you sign up with them for the first time, they offer you discounts in the first week so that you can try and test it. That's what I have done for my next following 2 weeks. I have ordered Dinnerly. Their recipes looked quite all right, good, but the options were quite limited as to our taste, you know, and what we like. They had lots of pork and beef and lamb. We tried to keep it to chicken, so let's see. That has come to around $44 a week, which is like almost half of HelloFresh. But I'm going to try the recipe with HelloFresh. I have no doubt the taste is just amazing. Sometimes the food can be a little bit bland because obviously they are catering to the wide community. You know, not everyone will love the Indian spices and the rich hot. Anyway, this is going off track. Coming back to the recipes, I try to add a little bit of my own flavor to the recipes, and like things like tandoori paste, you know, Indian coriander or Indian spices, you know, to spice this up and make it a little bit more interesting for our taste buds. But yeah, overall, I just love what they deliver. I mean, their recipes to choose from are just amazing, and there's so many of them that you can choose from. I'm repeating a lot of words, I guess. Sorry guys, this is only my 5th or 6th video for YouTube. I'm still getting the hang of it, and I'm trying not to look here because that means I'm not looking at you. I have to actually focus on the phone's camera. It's a bit hard. First world problems. Anyways, so give it a try. I have the discount codes. If you're interested, send me a message and I will send me your email address, in fact, and all I have to do is pop your email address on their app and you should get the first box at $50 less than your total cost. So give it a try. Leave your reviews down, what your experience has been with HelloFresh or any other meal kits. What do you find? How do you find? Are you going to stick to that as a permanent lifestyle, or are you going to go back to your experiments and your own style of cooking? I know some of you are very, very passionate about cooking and you would like to have that control in your hands of what you want, but yeah, for us, being time poor, we needed ease and we needed convenience, and HelloFresh gives us that. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video, and stay healthy. Prefer the healthier brown bag like I showed you. And yeah, this is not an advertisement. It's not a sponsored ad, but I love this stuff. Bye guys.
I miss Daddy. I miss Daddy. Where is Daddy? Where is Daddy? Where is Daddy? Where is Daddy? I love you too. I love you.